Hello kids, welcome to our channel Doodles for Kids. Today we are going to draw our beautiful dress step by step. And now we draw the bow of the dress. And now we draw the sleeves of the dress. Now we color the dress and learn colors name. This is pink color. Which color kids? Pink color.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know.
Now we use red color. This is red color. Which color kids? Red color. And now we use orange color. Which color is this kids? Orange color. This is yellow color. Which color kids? Yellow color. This is light green color. Which color kids? Light green color. This is blue color. Which color kids? Light blue color. This is dark blue color. Which color kids? Dark blue color. This is red color. Which color kids? Red color.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R.
Now we color the bow pink color. This is light pink color. Which color kids? Light pink color. We color the bow in direction. Subscribe our channel for latest videos. Bye kids.